This week's tech tip of the week is adding an email signature. So when you're drafting an email or composing an email, you don't need to type your name at the bottom of the email every time. You can add a signature like this with your name, maybe a title or maybe what grade you're in, and a picture, and it's pretty easy to do. Go into your settings tab in Gmail. Scroll all the way down, and instead of no signature, click to include a signature. Then type whatever you want here. You can change fonts, text sizes, etc. And then right here you can insert an image. Now if this image is in Drive, that's fine, but you can also select a file from your computer. When it's in and sized the way you want it, go to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now every time you compose an email, that signature will be at the bottom. Good luck.